Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove a watermark here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Okay, so in Adobe Express, the watermark usually appears on projects created with a free account. As you can see, I am using a free trial. Obviously, all the premium elements that has a watermark like this, the crown icon, will not be fully utilized and you need to upgrade to a premium subscription. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the project or the design that you're working. And if you want to start from scratch, just click the button right here. You see, right now I'm working with this specific design. And if I want to upload a premium content, for example, this one right here, or maybe a photo for you to be able to see it. These ones are free because they don't have the watermark. But if you use this cat right here, you see that you are previewing a premium asset on your page. The watermark is a reminder that you'll need to upgrade to export or publish. Obviously, what we need to do to remove that watermark is to click this icon right here. All right. And upgrade our plan. All right. Let's try to click the premium plan. Now, all you have to do is start the premium and start the 30-day free trial. And as you can see, the watermark premium content will be removed. All right. Because again, if you're using the free trial watermark, when premium content for present, for stock, limited to 200 premium image per day. But if you're using the premium, the watermark will no longer be added. All right. It's very, very easy. Now, if you still have questions about the watermark issues on your content, for example, you have upgraded to the premium subscription, but to still get the watermark, you cannot remove it. You might want to go to the Adobe customer support, wherein these are going to be some of the methods or channels that you can reach them. All right. Once you get a hold of the customer support staff, tell them you are having problems removing the watermark content to your subscription plan, although you have already opted for the premium plan. And they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. All right. And again, if you prefer not to upgrade, another option is to just use the free templates and assets from Adobe Express that include watermarks or do not include watermarks. While you may still have limited access to some features, you can avoid watermarks by working within the free options. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.